We're done with the base logic of Conway's Game of Life, but we made a gross error in our code. I know I've done it, but let's go over the code so far. So in the Conway's function section within rule set 1, we've added this putter here. But using this putter is absolutely wrong because it circumvents the double buffering that we need to do this right. But let's just look at the code we have so far. So we have this flag for tile kill, a flag for tile make. So do we want to make a tile born or do we want to kill a tile? Okay, here's where we go through every single simulation tile. And here's where we get the number of neighbors. So we loop through here, get the number of neighbors. And then we're going to act on the number of neighbors. We're going to reset tile kill and tile make to 0. And then if we have a live tile, here are the rules for whether or not we are going to kill the tile or do nothing, a no-op. If the tile's dead, right, not alive, if the tile's dead, then if it has exactly 3 neighbors, we make a tile, right? We make it born. So these are the basic Conway's Game of Life rules. And once we have those flags, if both the kill and make flags are set, that's an error. We're going to throw an error. Otherwise, for tile kill, we're just going to set down all zeros for our binary tile value. And if tile make is set, we're going to set down all binary 1s for our binary tile value. But notice here that we say that this is wrong because it's not double buffered. So we need to use the Tileway plot point buffer here and the Tileway plot point buffer here. And then what we need to do is after we've iterated through every single simulation tile outside of this first simulation tile loop, we need to unload the plot point buffer to change what tiles are in the tile map, and then our simulation will be correct. Here's what we did previously. Here's all of our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. And like I say, it does not work because we're not double buffering yet. So if you want a longer explanation with a technical demo, you can go here. You're on the fast playlist. If you want just technical demos, go here. Here's some other contact info right down here. You can pause to read that. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder.